You go to bed. The room is quiet. The sheets are fine. There is nothing wrong. And yet something in you will not settle. You lie there listening to a silence that feels louder than it should. You check your phone. You reposition. You become very aware of how still the room is. Something low in your body knows the difference. And will not stop knowing. This is not weakness. It is not immaturity. People who have trouble sleeping alone are running one of 4 very specific psychological patterns. Type 1, the attachment seeker. Sleep is neurologically one of the most vulnerable moments of the human day. You lose consciousness. You lose situational awareness. For millions of years of human evolution, that kind of vulnerability was only safe in proximity to other people. The brain knows this. Co-regulation, the nervous system of one person calibrates to the presence of another. For the attachment seeker, this is not emotional neediness. It is the nervous system doing exactly what it was designed to do. Type 2, the hypervigilant mind. During the day, environmental stimuli keep the nervous system grounded. At night, those anchors disappear. A low-level alertness that will not switch off. Another person in the room provides sensory data that overrides the alarm. The signal that says, something is here. Nothing is coming. Type 3, the conditioned sleeper. The body has been trained to sleep a specific way. And now alone, the conditions are wrong and the body notices. The brain expects the cues it was trained on. Their absence creates a misalignment that keeps the arousal level slightly too high for sleep to take hold. Type 4, the silence avoider. For them, silence at night is not restful. It is clarifying. And what it clarifies is everything they spent the day too busy to feel. Another person, or a television, or a podcast provides exactly enough input to keep those thoughts from becoming loud. They do not fear being alone so much as being alone with themselves. The discomfort is real. The difficulty is real. And the nervous system asking for something is not a failure of character. It is a system designed for connection behaving exactly as it was built to behave. Alone in the dark is not the natural state of a human being. And the part of you that knows this is not broken. It is old. And it has been paying attention since long before you were old enough to feel embarrassed about it. So which one are you? The attachment seeker, the hypervigilant mind, the conditioned sleeper, or the silence avoider? If this made you think different, hit subscribe. Reverse Hub isn't just a channel. It's a mindset.